In this video, I will show you how to use the Cramer's rule to solve a system of equations containing two variables. There are different methods we can use to solve such a system of equations. For example, we can use the elimination method and substitution method. However, sometimes you can be told to solve a system of equations using the Cramer's rule. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, we need to form a 2 by 2 matrix that contains the coefficients of the variables in our equation. The coefficients of x, we have 4 and 1. So we shall write 4, 1. And then the coefficients of y, we have 5 and 2. So this will be 5, 2. And now what we need to do is find the determinant of this matrix, which will be equal to D. Now notice that we have a 2 by 2 matrix. Whenever you have a 2 by 2 matrix containing the numbers A, B, C, and D, the determinant of this matrix will be equal to AD minus CB. In simple terms, you multiply A times D and then minus B times C. So in this case, we shall have 4 times 2. So this will be 4 times 2. And then minus, then we shall have 1 times 5. So this will be 1 times 5. Now 4 times 2 will give us 8, and then 1 times 5 will give us 5. And therefore D will be equal to 3. Now what we need to do next is find dx. Dx will also be a 2 by 2 matrix. However, in this case, we need to replace the coefficients of x by the numbers on the right hand side of the equations. Therefore, instead of writing 4 and 1, we shall write 6 and 12. And then the coefficients of y will remain the same. And once again, we need to find the determinant of this matrix. So we shall get 6 times 2, and this will give us 12. And then minus, then we shall get 5 times 12, and this will give us 60. Now 12 minus 60 will give us negative 48. Therefore dx will be equal to negative 48. And now what we need to do is find dy. dy will also be a 2 by 2 matrix. But in this case, we shall replace the coefficients of y by the numbers on the right hand side of the equations. So the coefficients of x will remain the same. We shall have 4 and 1. And then, instead of writing the coefficients of y, we shall write 6 and 12. And once again, we shall find the determinant of this matrix. So we shall get 4 times 12, and this will give us 48 minus, then we shall get 6 times 1, and this will give us 6. Now 48 minus 6 will give us 42. Therefore dy will be equal to 42. And now let's see how we can find the values of x and y. X will be equal to dx divided by d. We found dx to be equal to negative 48, and then we found d to be equal to 3. Therefore x will be equal to negative 48 divided by 3. And so x will be equal to negative 16. And y will be equal to dy divided by d. and so this will be equal to 42 divided by 3, and so y will be equal to 14. Therefore, that's how you can solve a system of equations using the Cramer's rule. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.